Today we're replacing the half-horse Dewalt router with a 3/4 horsepower Dewalt router on the CNC table. The first step is to remove the half-horsepower router. The next step is to remove the bolts holding this mounting plate. After removing the bolts, the mounting plate can be removed from the machine. Next, we're going to prepare the new mounting plate to be mounted with the new router holders. After installing the bolts to hold the mounting rings, this will now be mounted to the machine's tool head. After installing and tightening the bolts, the machine is now ready for the new 3/4 horsepower router. After installing the router, the two mounting bolts are tightened to clamp the router in place. Next, the new router is plugged into the power outlet here. Now the machine is ready for a bit and ready to operate with the new router.